All right, so for fluency today, it says that Susan separates 648 pieces of candy into 9 bags. How many pieces were in each bag? So you're looking for how many pieces were in one of the bags. So if you have 648 items of something, in this case candy, you're taking it and grouping it into 9 bags. All right, so you are going to be dividing. So you have to divide that out. So your dividend is a number that you are breaking up. So that'd be 6, 4, 8, because that's what we're breaking into groups. And your divisor is how many groups you're making. In that case, 9. So you got to ask yourself, how many times can 9 go into 6? Well, 9 times 1 is 9, and that's too big, so it has to be 0. So 9 times 0 is 0. So then you'll subtract that. 6 minus 0 is 6. And then you have to bring down the 4. You have to ask yourself now, how many times can 9 go into 64? So, well, 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72, so that's too big, so it has to be 9 times 6. So you put your 6, and you get 63. So then we have to subtract 64 minus 63. Oops. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. And you have to bring down your 8. Then you got to ask yourself, how many times does 9 go into 18? 9 times 2 gives me 18. So 2, then I put my 18 below. I subtract it out. And I get 0. So my answer is 62. So how many pieces of candy were in each bag? You would say 62 pieces of candy. And that's fluency for today.